Hi, welcome to UNIX Academy. This is Jyoti. In this video, I am going to show you role of an operating system in running program. In my previous video, you learned how to write a program, how to compile that program into binary code or mission code. In this video, we will see what is the operating system role in running the program in that executable program. Once a program is turned to executable form, that is .ext file, they can be run by computer independently. There is no need manual interaction. An executable program runs on the computer with the help of operating system. The operating system contains a lot of major components. Those are disk, CPU and memory and I/O also. An executable program runs on the computer with the help of operating system. The operating system has a major role to play in the execution of program in executable form. In earlier days, computers used to run on one program at a time. But modern days, computers are capable of running multiple programs and catering to programs of multiple users. These are called multi-programming or multi-user. The role of operating system in running a program is much more complex and important today. Now let us see how an OS means operating system plays an important role in running a program. Now OS as a resource manager. What is this? A program, when not running, is simply lying on the disk. To execute it, it must be loaded into memory first and CPU be assigned to it so that its instructions can be run. The moment a program is loaded for running or executing, it is called process. Sometimes it's called job. Multiple programs are run interlaced with each other so as to improve overall efficiency of the computer. Multi-programming improves the overall efficiency of the computer system by getting more work done in less time, as the CPU may be shared among a number of active programs which are present in the memory at the same time. When multiple processes are running simultaneously, it is important to manage them. For this purpose, OS provides the following functions. One is process management, second one process scheduling, then memory management and I/O management. These four functions will work for executing the program. These functions are involved in OS operating system. These all functions, I will teach you each function in my upcoming videos. Please subscribe my channel for further videos. Thanks for watching. Share my videos to your friends and relatives. And if you like this video, give a like. If you have any doubt, please feel free to comment it. Thank you.